Welcome once again. My message today has to do with the gospel reading for this Saturday of the first week of Advent, which comes again from the 9th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. In this particular passage, we see that Jesus goes around to the different towns and villages, teaching, proclaiming always the reign of God, and performing many healings. And then it says that at the sight of the crowds, his heart was moved with pity for them because they were troubled and abandoned like sheep without a shepherd. And then Jesus said, the harvest is abundant, but the laborers are few. So ask the master of the harvest to send out laborers for his harvest. Two things I'd like to offer for your consideration today from this gospel reading. First, when we look at the world around us, not just the world at large, but the world immediately around us, our own neighborhoods, our own parish, our own country. When we look around, I think sometimes our hearts are moved with pity because so many people these days seem to be troubled and abandoned. So many people seem to be like sheep without a shepherd. And then the second thing I'd like to offer is a response to Jesus' words. The harvest is abundant, but the laborers are few. When I was a kid, this passage, this verse clearly referred to people becoming priests and nuns. That these were the laborers, that there were not enough laborers out in the fields, that more young men and women needed to respond to Jesus' call to be a priest or a sister. But I don't think it means just that. I think all of us are called to be laborers. All of us are called to bring in the harvest of the reign of God. And so, two things, once again, our hearts should be moved with pity at the sight of our world today. And second, we are called to be Christ's laborers to help the Lord bring in his harvest of love and mercy.